Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, I'm your name, and today we're diving into a topic that's shaping our world more than ever: artificial intelligence, or AI for short. Whether you've heard of AI in self-driving cars, smart assistants like Siri or Alexa, or even in video games, it's a fascinating field that's constantly evolving. So, what exactly is artificial intelligence? Let's break it down. But first, let me ask this. Have you ever wondered how your smartphone can recognize your face, or how Netflix recommends movies you might like? These are just a couple of examples of AI in action. So, let's explore what AI really is. Artificial intelligence refers to the simulation of human intelligence processes by machines, especially computer systems. This includes learning, reasoning, problem solving, perception, and language understanding. You see, AI isn't just about robots doing tasks. It's about teaching machines to think and learn like humans do. There are two main types of AI: narrow AI and general AI. Narrow AI, also known as weak AI, is designed to perform a specific task. A great example is Google's search algorithm. When you type in a query, it uses AI to process your request and give you the most relevant results. Narrow AI is all around us, in your email spam filter, in chatbots providing customer service, and even in facial recognition software. In fact, according to a report from McKinsey, 70% of companies have adopted at least one form of AI in their operations. This shows just how impactful narrow AI is in various industries, from finance to healthcare. Now, let's shift gears and talk about general AI, or strong AI. This is a bit more theoretical at this point. General AI would be able to perform any intellectual task that a human being can do. Imagine a computer that could learn and understand information, just like you, capable of reasoning and problem solving across a wide range of topics. As of now, we haven't achieved this level of AI, but researchers are working hard towards it. AI technology is growing rapidly. According to a recent Statista report, the global AI market is expected to grow from $93.5 billion in 2021 to over $390 billion by 2025. That's a staggering increase. This growth is largely driven by advancements in machine learning, a subset of AI that allows computers to learn from data and improve their performance over time without being explicitly programmed. Now, let's look at some real-world applications of AI. 1. Healthcare. AI is revolutionizing the healthcare industry. For example, IBM's Watson can analyze vast amounts of medical data to assist doctors in diagnosing diseases and recommending treatments, sometimes even identifying patterns that humans might miss. 2. Transportation. Self-driving cars are another exciting application of AI. Companies like Tesla and Waymo are using AI algorithms to interpret sensory data from the vehicle's surroundings, allowing the car to navigate and make decisions in real time. 3. Finance. In the finance sector, AI algorithms are used for fraud detection. They analyze transactions in real time and can flag unusual patterns that might indicate fraudulent activity. 4. Entertainment. AI is also transforming how we consume media. Streaming platforms like Netflix and Spotify use AI algorithms to analyze your viewing or listening habits and provide personalized recommendations, making it easier for you to discover new content you might love. 5. Education. AI is making waves in education through personalized learning experiences. Platforms like Duolingo use AI to tailor lessons based on individual user performance, ensuring that learning is effective and engaging. These examples highlight just how embedded AI has become in our everyday lives. It's important to also consider the ethical implications of AI. Questions around privacy, job displacement, and decision-making biases are critical discussions we need to have as this technology advances. So, in summary, artificial intelligence is a powerful tool that mimics human intelligence to perform tasks more efficiently. From healthcare to entertainment, AI is changing the way we live, work, and interact with the world. As we continue to embrace this technology, it's crucial to remain aware of its implications for society. If you found this video informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Also, share your thoughts in the comments below. What are your views on AI? Do you think it will benefit humanity? Or are there risks we should be concerned about? I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay curious